Your next car could be the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, 4-cylinder engine. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.